In this video, we'll be looking for speak cells and few options which are given here on the screen. If you see, now let's see. What is that? One by one. Speak cells means the whatever text is written in the sheet that Excel will speak for you. Okay, so what you can do is, you can verify that soft copy with the hard copy. If that text is written in the paper or somewhere, you can just keep on asking and tick marking it. So let's see, what is that? Now, speak cells is the option, which is hidden at the back end. Now we need to bring it at the front. So the place where I can bring this is this place. That is quick access toolbar. So how do I bring it? Please see it. So I'll go to File, and I'll go to this Options. In this Options, if you see, I have this quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, there are many commands which are hidden. So I'll click on this option. I say I want all the commands. So in all the commands, you have to search for speak cells. So I'll go down till I get speak cells. Yeah, so speak cells. So there are 5 options. Speak cells. Speak cells. Stop speaking cells by columns, by rows, and on enter. Let's see that first. I'll take all the 5 options. On the quick access toolbar, by clicking on add, the cursor goes next place. I'll click on add. So you see, all the 5 options are added. These options are present, will be present in the quick access toolbar at the top. Once I click on OK, you see, all the 5 options are added. Now, what is the beauty of this? Speak cells. Now you'll understand. I have written a text in cell numbered right and bottom. There is no text. And if I click on this option as speak cells, let's see what happens.
Sweet tutorials.
I'll keep my cursor again.
Sweet tutorials.
So what it has done is it is reading the text for you, so that you can understand what it is written, or you can just verify that. But if I keep my cursor at any place where there's a text surrounding, like on the right hand side and the bottom, what it does is if I click on the speak cells,
Architecture. Products. Architecture.
So I'll ask him to stop speaking. Cells architect.
Products.
So when there's a text
Civil.
is surrounded to some
Civil.
other text, like this, it will by default start reading horizontal manner. Horizontal manner. So, horizontal manner. Since this way it will start speaking. But if you don't like, you want him to ask to read in the vertical manner. What can be done is you see here on the top. If you see the options, I'll just keep my cursor. This is the option that is speak cells by row. By default it is selected. Now, you don't want by rows. You want by columns. So you see, there's an option on the left hand side. That is, speak cells by columns. So what I'll do is, I'll select that option. So once I click on that option, now henceforth, if I ask him to speak cells, what it will do is it will start reading vertically. I'll just keep my cursor in this place like this, and I'll click on speak cells. So it will start reading in the vertical manner. Speak cells products.
Architecture. Civil. Electrical. LT.
Products, vertical manner. So I click on stop speaking cells. If you do not like, you can just click on this. Stop speaking cells. So it will stop automatically. Now, what is the beauty of this concept is, I repeat again, if you have something written on the soft copy, and if you want to verify with the hard copy, written on a book or somewhere, so you can just keep on tick marking, and this person will speak for you, so you can verify that thing, what it was written. Now, the last option which I have is speak cells on enter. So whenever you type here, let's say if I type here something, I'll select this option. That is, speak cells on enter. So I have to select that option. Cells will now be spoken on enter. Yeah.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
So now, if I type here, puny, and if I press enter, see what happens on. Yeah.
True.
If I type here again, and I'll press enter. If I type here something, press enter. Right.
False.
So that is, speak cells on enter. So these are all the 5 options available, according to your convenience. You can use the options, right? So, I hope you have understood the options for speak cells. By rows, columns, and enter. That's all for this video.